Hey, how's it going everyone? So today we're actually going to be working on the transmission that I have for the truck.
And by working on, I mean cleaning it off with gunk.
Alright, so obviously this transmission in particular is pretty clean already. You can see on the bell housing there is some grease and dirt and grime that I want to get off. So I'm just going to be using the original gunk just to get the little bits of grease off and keep it somewhat on the cheap side. I went to the dollar store, got some brushes and a scraper, because you don't need to spend tons of money for this to look good in the end. So let's begin. So brief history on this transmission real quick while the time lapse is going. This is a 94 T56 out of an LT1 car. The guy that I bought it from said that the guy that he bought it from said that it had a stage 2 rebuild kit in it. Who knows if that's actually truth, but from the looks of this transmission, I'm hoping it's pretty clean on the inside just like it is on the outside and in good working order. I'd assume it is, but we'll have to see once we put it behind the truck. Which, speaking of which, right now we're going to get both trucks home. We're going to get the white one, the 90, parted out and out of the driveway, and then we'll get the other one home and start working on it and getting it ready for the actual V8 swap when we get the motor back. So that's kind of what's happening right now.
Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep up to date with the build in the future. And like I say, the goal right now is to get the truck home, both trucks home, get the one parted out, and then the other one get worked on. And then we'll be good to go from there. So, yeah. Alright guys, take it easy. I'll see you next time.